How to use the CHKDSK command on Windows? The CHKDSK command is a Windows utility used to check the integrity of a hard drive and fix file system errors. Here is how you can use the CHKDSK command to scan and fix your drive. Step 1. Search for CMD using the Windows taskbar. Step 2. Locate command prompt and click on Run as administrator. Step 3. Type in the command chkdsk/f/r. Step 4. Enter Y if the scan needs to occur during a reboot process. Step 5. Reboot your PC and check to see if the issue is resolved. And that's it. Here is a breakdown of all the switches that you can use with the CHKDSK command. If you found this guide helpful, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to Remo Software Official for more tech tips, and if you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Stay safe online.